Just only few people are talking about the survey platform. Just few. Yes, I mean just few persons are talking about this particular platform. It is called Rewardora. Okay, so you can see the name right here. Get paid in crypto or gift cards by completing offers, surveys, and simple tasks, fast, easy, and free to start. Now we are going to be making a review, and I'm going to be making a detailed explanation on how you can get started with this particular platform if it's actually worth doing. Okay, so there are so many of us that are interested in crypto earning platform. Okay, so this particular platform has different options which you can be rewarded to withdraw or get your earnings. Like we all know, PayPal has become an issue for some of us. We don't have PayPal, but right here you can see you can be paid in crypto. That is, you can be paid in different crypto ways and also via gift cards. Now in this video, I'm going to be taking us step by step how it works, the registration process, and how you can leverage on this platform and what to expect if this actually worth doing or not. So now once you click the first link on the pinned comment section, you are going to be brought into this interface. So right here you can actually see that you can register and you can log in. So for you coming to this particular interface for the first time, you're going to be clicking on register. Okay, so once you click on register, an interface is going to pop up for you, but take a look at this interface. It actually looks just as the same as free cash. If you're actually conversant with free cash and how free cash works, you are going to be seeing that this particular platform looks the same as it, as you have offer wars, future surveys, and the likes of it. So this particular survey seems to work as free cash, but right here on this particular survey, you are going to be earning in points, as 100 points is equivalent to $1. That is why I said it's actually user friendly, that anyone can actually start up with this particular survey platform. So as you can see right now that there are offer wars and there are some other future offers which you can go through. Now when you walk down through this page, you are going to be seeing some options right here, how it works. You can see that for yourself how it works, and sign up to log in. You can also complete offers and you can get paid instantly. So some of these features are what you're going to be using to get your rewards. As you can see, we have the Bitcoin, the Litecoin, paper, Binance, Dogecoin, and the likes of it. Some of us are actually finding it difficult to have withdrawals through PayPal. So this particular survey gives you the option of some other method which you can use out to cash out your rewards. Okay, so when you come right here, you are going to be seeing the frequently asked questions right on this platform, and they have been answered for you. Some of you will be asking some questions that you need answers to. Now when you come down, you are going to be seeing how Rwanda works. Is Rwanda free to use, how to level bonus and daily streak bonus, how it works. Now how to withdraw, you can see right here that you can withdraw your earnings with various popular methods right here, such as Bitcoin. So you can see that right here. So there are so many ways you can use to place your withdrawal right on this particular platform. That is why I would advise anyone to start up with this, because it's actually user friendly. Now when you go ahead to look out all these options right here, they actually answered some specific questions which you will need to get informed about. Now when you go ahead to come down right here, you can also see that can I create multiple accounts or use a VPN. So you can go ahead to read that and to know how to operate. I'm going to be showing you how you can probably set up an account and also verify your email to start receiving surveys. So on your own lectures, you can come through this interface, go through it, and see some features which you want to understand. Now if you want to set up an account for yourself, you are going to be seeing the register and the login. Go ahead to click on the register button and you're going to be coming into this interface. So right here on this interface, you just need to be very sure of the details you're putting to set up an account for yourself, as it's actually user friendly. And once you set up an account for yourself, you will be given 100 points, and that 100 points is actually $1. So right here, I'm going to insert my email address and I'm going to put my username. I'm also going to be putting in a password. Okay, so this is actually what you can also do to your account. It's very simple. The registration process is actually straightforward and simple. Anyone can actually have access to it. So I'm going to put in my password right here, and once I'm done, I'm going to check in this particular box that says I agree to terms and condition. Then also come down right here to click on verify your human. So these are the processes of you setting up your account, as it's actually easy. Anyone can actually go through all this and get the account verified. Under this select captcha, you can just click on it and you're going to be leaving it just like the way you're seeing it. So you can just leave this like this. So once your details are complete and set properly, you're going to be coming down under this button right here to click on register. Now once we click on register, now our account will be set right here. Okay, let's just hold on. So you can see that my account is actually on the creation process. So you can see right here, success, welcome, you received 100 coin registered bonus. Now this 100 point registered bonus is actually one step ahead. Okay, so you just keep on accumulating earnings on your account. So it is very simple for anyone to set up an account for yourself. Now the moment you set up an account for yourself, the first thing you want to do right here is to make sure you go ahead to verify your email address. Now verification of email address is actually simple. You can just come right here to also click on the send mail if you don't get the email on your email on your Gmail. So make sure you go over to your email and confirm that you've received this and verify your account. So the verification process is very simple, that you can get through it. But what I would advise is that once you go over to your email and you see something like a link, go there and copy that link, come over to this same browser and click that to verify your account. Okay, that is why I advise you also make your using the browser you're using for this particular survey, your default browser. So it is actually easy for anyone to start up with this and you can go through it and start to leverage properly on it. Okay, so like I said, if you don't get the confirmation mail on your email, just make sure you click on the send activation mail and it will be sent to your email address. So go through that and verify your account so you can have more surveys on your account. Now when you take a look at this account, you can actually see that we have featured offers just like what we have on free cash. Now what this particular platform does is that it partners with other survey platforms. They bring out survey right here for you to do. So right here you can see that I have 0 coin. As you can see that this particular survey you actually earn in coin. Now you can see the level progress right here. This is the level progress. So this keep on circling until you get to the withdrawal threshold. You can actually see the end bonus. Now what I would advise you to do is to also make sure you're going through their daily streaks. Now these daily streaks starts from a particular moment where you start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the likes of it. So every day starts counting for you on your daily streaks. So what you just have to do is that you should just log in, follow the daily streak, meet up your points, and also retrieve your points. Okay, so you can retrieve your points once your daily streak keeps meeting up the requirements. Okay, so what you're going to be doing now is that you're going to be picking any of the feature offer awards to go through. But when you come over this hamburger icon, you can see we have offer awards, surveys, withdraw, and the likes of it. Okay, now let's go over to surveys right there. So you can see the available surveys right on this platform. Now you can see that we have BitLabs, we have N1500 coin to unlock CPX research. Most of us are conversant with CPX research that they actually pay high. Okay, so right here you can also find prime opinions. Just like what I said, other platforms come into this platform, this particular survey platform, partnering with them, putting in surveys which you can also get some rewards for yourself. So it's actually an advantage for you to set up with this platform because you are going to be having other surveys right on this platform that can accumulate points for you. Now you can actually see that 1000 points is equivalent to 1 USDT. Okay, so I actually made a mistake saying it was 100 points. Now 1000 points is gonna give you 1 USDT on your account. So imagine you're actually making 2000 points, you are going to be making 2 USDT on your account, and the moment you start earning points, you are going to be having tons of surveys on your account. Just make sure the first surveys you are going to be taking on this platform, you are going to be giving a detailed profile on your account. So with that, you're going to be having tons of surveys on your account. So it is actually a user-friendly survey which anyone can start with. Now you can actually see that once you come over to your profile, you just need to verify your account. I just don't want to go ahead to verify this account. Okay, so make sure you go through the verification process to verify your email, as it will keep popping out this to resend and get your email activated, because if you don't activate your email on this platform, you won't be getting other offers right here. So you can see that they have so many offers, so you can see the points you can actually get through. So some people are actually good with playing games which they can use to accumulate more points for themselves. Now under future surveys, you can actually see that there are so many surveys right here which you can use to accumulate point for yourself. So it is actually something you can start, and you can actually start accumulating points. As this particular survey, you are meant to accumulate points, then your points can be converted into your earnings, which you can withdraw through different means. Now, some of you will be asking, how do I withdraw right on this platform? The withdrawal process is very simple. Like I said, there are so many ways which you can use to withdraw right here. The withdrawal threshold is actually 500 points, depending on the means you're using to withdraw right here. Make sure you're also getting rewards from your streak. So when you come right here, you are going to be clicking on withdraw. Now, once you get over these withdraw options, you are going to be seeing we have the Binance, which you can actually withdraw when you get to 500 points. You can see that the minimum point for Binance is 500. Now, for Bitcoin, we also have 5,000. Dogecoin, we have 500. So there are so many options right. That is why I said I will recommend this to anyone who actually want to start out survey right there. Okay, so you can see that we also have Ethereum, and you can see the points and the minimum threshold you need to accumulate before you can be given this as a cash out. Okay, so there are so many of them right here. So it has different options which you can use to place withdrawal. Some of us, we actually want to recommend Litecoin, so you can go ahead to use Litecoin also. So there are so many options right here. You can also use an option for the gift card. So the minimum right here is actually 200 points, which is this C wallet. Okay, so some of us can actually try this out and see if it's actually worth your time, as this is a survey platform that you actually earn in points. Okay, so what you are going to be doing is to set up an account to also leverage properly on this platform, and it's going to give you the reward for your time right here. Just your honest opinions are what they need on this platform. So you can see them right here. We have so many options right here. Just go ahead to start taking surveys. So that is how this platform works. You can actually make your own research to also get some insights on what to expect and what to know about this platform. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got much value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I want giveaways and also show you some ways you can also leverage online in today's world. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to drop them on the comment section, and I'll be glad to give response to that. So see you on my next video, and keep winning.